Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you train your AI chatbot using sources like Notion and Google Drive on the BotPenguin platform. Using Notion and Google Drive is a smart way to train the AI chatbot using existing knowledge bases, documents, and resources. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left-hand side, you'll find different options. You have to select the bot which you want to train. For the demo purpose, I am using this website bot. Then you have to navigate to the Train Your AI Chatbot section right here. In the Train Your AI Chatbot section, you will find different subsections. You can train your AI chatbot using website, file upload, Google Sheets, FAQs, conversation history, and some other sources. We will be talking about other sources in this video. So here we have these two apps, Notion and Google Drive. To connect with any of these, you have to click on the connect button right here. Again, you have to click on the connect button. This will take you to the login page of the Notion. You have to log in with your email address here. After you log into your Notion account, BotPenguin will request the access to your Notion page. You can select the pages and then you can click on the allow access button. And as you can see, the integration has been created successfully. That means Notion has been integrated to the BotPenguin platform. In the similar way, you can also connect your Google Drive account with the BotPenguin platform. And the data available on your Notion pages or on your Google Drive account will be used to train your AI chatbot. So that was all about how you can train your AI chatbot using some other sources like Notion and Google Drive. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.